The laws of indices apply to both algebraic and numerical terms. These can be used to simplify multiplication and division expressions. Deal with the number and algebraic parts separately. For example, 4y raised to power 7 multiplied by 6y raised to power 6. It will be solved as 4 will be multiplied by 6 and then y raised to power 7 will be multiplied by y raised to power 6. 6 times 4 is 24 and as base is same, so powers will be add. So y raised to power 13. Laws of indices. There are some important rules to deal with indices. The first one is a raised to power 1 is equal to a. It means that if we have any number, let's say 2, and its power is 1, it is equal to 2. Let's say it is 3, its power is 1, the result will be 3. If it is negative number, negative 4 raised to power 1, it will be again negative 4. Second is a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. That means any number with 0 exponent is always 1. Let's say it is 3. 3 raised to power 0 equals 1. Let's say it is 0.5934 and it's raised to power 0. The result then again is 1. Whether it is a negative number, let's say it is negative 5934 and it's raised to power 0. The result will be 1. Next is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. If base is same and the terms are multiplied, their powers will be add. Let's say if I have 7 square multiplied by 7 raised to power 3, it will be 7 raised to power 2 plus 3 equals 7 raised to power 5. And if I have a number 5 raised to power 2 and it is multiplied by 5 raised to power negative 3, then again it will be 5 raised to power 2 plus into minus 3 and it will be 5 raised to power 2 minus 3, 5 raised to power negative 1. And if a raised to power m into raised to power n, it will be a raised to power mn. Let's say 2 raised to power 3 and its power is 2. It will be 2 raised to power 3 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 6. But if it is 2 raised to power 3, then its power 2. It will be equal to 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2 means 3 square. So it will be 2 raised to power 9. So don't confuse with this. If a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, it will be a raised to power m minus n. Let's say 2 raised to power 5 is divided by 2 raised to power 3. It will be 2 raised to power 5 over 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 2 raised to power 5 minus 3 equals 2 raised to power 2. A raised to power 1 over n is equal to nth root of a. Similarly, if I have 2 raised to power 1 over 2, it will be square root of 2. If it is 2 raised to power 1 over 3, then it will be cube root of 2. A raised to power m over n is equal to a raised to power m, and we can take this 1 over n outside and it will be nth root of a raised to power m. For example, if I have 3 raised to power 2 over 3, so it can be written as 3 raised to power 2, its whole power 1 over 3. Now it will be 3 square and its cube root. A raised to power minus n is equal to 1 over a raised to power n, as if I have 2 raised to power minus 2, we can write it as 1 over 2 square. If it is a over b and its whole power is m, we can separate the powers a raised to power m over b raised to power m. And if I have negative power a over b raised to power negative m, we will flip the fraction. It will be b over a and its power will be m, which is equal to b raised to power m over a raised to power m. If a raised to power x is equal to a raised to power y, then x is equal to y. When index is unknown. If the unknown is part of the index, use the same base number on both sides. In more difficult questions, you may need to use negative and fractional indices. Both sides should be rewritten with the same base number. Worked example. T raised to power x multiplied by t square is equal to t raised to power 10. Find the value of x. Use the index law. A raised to power m times a raised to power n equals a raised to power m plus n. It will be t raised to power x plus 2 equals t raised to power 10. And then now by using if a raised to power x equals a raised to power y, then x is equal to y, which implies that x plus 2 is equal to 10. Simplify it, so x will be 10 minus 2, x is equal to 8. Examination tips. Learn how to solve quadratic equations using different methods such as factoring, completing the square, and using the quadratic formula. Learn how to solve equations of higher degrees such as cubic and quartic equations using factorization. Know how to relate the roots of an equation to its coefficients. Test yourself. Question number 1 is simplify a square divided by a raised to power 6. It's a 1 mark question. Question number 2. 25 equals 125 raised to power k. Find the value of k. It's a 1 mark question. Question number 3. Simplify 256 x raised to power 256 whole power is 3 over 8. It's a 2 mark question. Question number 4. Cube root of y square equals 6th root of x and y is equal to nth root of x. Find the value of n. It's a 2 mark question. Question number 5. Find the value of 64 x raised to power 4 and its whole power is 0.5 multiplied by 4 x raised to power negative 2. It's a 3 mark question.